What is up, everyone? Best Ever Toy TV here. So I got two packages here just arrived today. Came from Lazada. Okay, both of these came from the Lazada. Part of the September 9 sale. I hope I was not scammed with this sale, with this package here. So it says, I'll post it on the video right now, buy one RWB Porsche and get one extra random car from the Silhouette series, and this one too, a Skyline Silhouette, and get one extra random car. So I got three. I ordered three, so hopefully there'll be 6 cars all in all and not just 3 cars. If this will contain 3 cars in total, then it is a scam. Hopefully it will not be a scam. So let us first open this one here. I'm gonna put down my camera. Each car here will cost 450 pesos. So let's just say $1 is equivalent to 50 pesos, so that would be $9 per car. Yeah, I know you guys there in the US have this cheaper compared to us here, but due to the sale, this one, buy one and get one random car, will just cost 399 pesos. So that is $8, right? Yeah, $8. So here's the first package. Please don't be a scam. Ooh. So I think, oh, these are the main cars here. Main cars. Hopefully the main cars. Oh, not the main cars. Okay. So this one is supposed to be the first order, the Skyline Silhouette and the random car. Ooh, 78 Porsche 93578. Yeah, so yeah, imagine these two only costing me 400 pesos. So just $8 for these two here, which is really cheap. Normally these two will be 900 pesos. Yeah, not a scam, not a scam. Here's the other car, Greenwood Corvette. Sadly I have this already, bought it at 180 pesos, but yeah, this is supposed to be the random car. So the next box here, hopefully not a scam again. Again, I'll show you on screen the sale, the description on the sale and the items that I ordered. While I'm tearing up the bubble wrap here. Okay, so yeah, I got space is tight here, so sorry about that. Here's the mystery box, because I don't know what's inside the box here. Let's get rid of the cars there. And okay. Oh, another the random car, Greenwood Corvette again. What? I got extra Chevy Monza. Here's the RWB Porsche. Woohoo! Whoa! Wait. Did they make a mistake? Silhouette. Nissan Skyline Silhouette again. I think. Whoa! Come on. Did I? Here's the Porsche 93578 again. So supposed to be only 6 cars because I ordered 3 sets. Each set contained 2 cars, and I got 9 cars. Whoa! Oh. Wait, I'm kind of shocked here. So yeah, it's supposed to be this way. I ordered 1 Skyline, which includes a random car, so that's supposed to be the pair. I ordered another RWB Porsche, which includes a random car, so that's supposed to be the random car. I ordered another Skyline, 2 Skylines, and supposed to come with a random car, so that would be all. But I got 3 more extras. Whoa! So 1,400 pesos for all of these cars. That is 1,000 pesos is equivalent to $20. Yeah, $28 for all these cars here. 4, 6, 9 cars. Usual price for the if you buy this in malls is $450 for each car, so that would be 900, 18, 27, 36, yeah, oh, 4,000 for these cars, but got them for 1,400 only. Damn, sweet. That's sweet. Wow. So Lazada, thank you so much. I didn't know. Yeah, you give freebies and stuff. Thank you so much. So Lazada, ladies and gentlemen, is not a scam. They have a sale. Please buy them. Avail on their sale. A lot of stuff going on. A lot of freebies. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, Best Ever Toy TV. Damn, I'm really shocked right now. Got 3 extra freebies. So again, bye bye guys. See you soon. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of the day.